Do you want to know what AI tools are actually worth using for digital products in 2026? I'll show you exactly what each tool does, what it costs, and which one is right for your digital product business. From creating content to designing graphics to sell, these tools can save you hundreds of hours. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Shannon. I teach people how to start side hustles and build passive income. I've sold over $27,000 in digital products on Etsy. I've published over 100 KDP books, and I've made 36,000 print-on-demand sales, all while working a full-time job. And my goal is to help you build your first profitable side hustle this month. AI is literally changing how we create digital products. So let's talk about tools that actually matter. Tool number one is probably the one that we all know the most. It's ChatGPT. And honestly, this is the foundation. ChatGPT is by OpenAI. It can understand and generate text, images, audios, even video content. And here's what I use it for. I use it for brainstorming product ideas, writing product descriptions, creating ebook outlines, generating social media captions, researching trending topics, problem-solving technical issues with my website, creating images and videos. ChatGPT is very versatile, but I use it mostly for my brainstorming partner. There is a free tier, but there's also a plus plan, which I currently have at $20 a month. And then there's a team and enterprise plan. Some of the pros, it's highly flexible and super fast. Some of the cons, it's limited real-time web browsing and no native document collaboration. You really have to learn your prompts because otherwise some of the information will be off. But if you only get one AI tool, make it ChatGPT Plus. It's the Swiss Army knife of digital product creation. And tool number two is Gamma app. And this one can save you hours and hours and hours on presentations and ebooks. Gamma app is an AI-powered presentation tool that automatically generates sleek, interactive decks with professional design. I literally type in what I want, like create a presentation on how to organize your kitchen. And Gamma app builds the entire deck, images, layouts, and text. Some of the best use cases are creating pitch decks, digital product presentations quickly, creating ebooks, presentations, and templates. There is a free basic plan, and the Pro plan starts around $15 a month. The Pro plan will save you hours on design and structure and will let you export it professionally. If you hate designing slides or ebooks, Gamma will change your life. Tool number three is RightBlogger, which is specialized for blog writing and SEO. RightBlogger is an AI content assistant built specifically for blog writing, SEO optimization, and digital marketing copy, but it also has some really cool features that they just added. And here's why I love it. It has built-in SEO best practices. So when I write a blog post promoting my digital products, it automatically suggests keywords, headers, and content structure that ranks on Google. Some of the best ways to use RightBlogger are by producing SEO-friendly blog posts and marketing content for digital product promotion and audience building. There are a ton of free features, but a subscription plan starts at around $29. My new blog website started getting a ton of traffic right after I started converting my YouTube videos into blog posts. So if you're building an audience through blogging, RightBlogger is worth the investment. And tool number four is Canva. You probably know it. Canva has always been great for graphic design, but now it's enhanced with AI features. You can use it for image generation, video generation. You can convert objects into cartoons, has smart templates, and brand consistency. I can now type create a floral background for a wedding planner, and Canva's AI generates it instantly. No more searching stock photos. Some of the best uses are designing digital product assets like social media posts, ebooks, marketing visuals, brand materials with a professional polish. And Canva is one of those products that can help with any kind of side hustle, so I recommend going with the Pro plan for around $12.99 a month. I use Canva every single day. I used to use Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, and Canva is a beginner-friendly version of all of those. Okay, we're halfway through, 4 tools down, and a quick heads up, I'm launching my digital product starter kit soon, and the waitlist is now open. It includes templates, tool guides, step-by-step tutorials for all the tools I'm covering today. Drop your email in the link below for early access and get exclusive bonuses when it goes live. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe so you don't miss my weekly side hustle updates. And tool number 5 is Jasper AI, the conversion-focused copywriter. Jasper is an AI copywriting assistant focused on conversion-optimized marketing and sales content that drives results. Jasper is trained specifically on marketing frameworks, so when I need to write a product description, email sequence, or ad copy, Jasper uses proven formulas that convert. And it has a variety of templates available. And plans start at around $49 per month, which can be pretty pricey for small creators just starting out. But if you're making $500 plus from a digital product, Jasper pays for itself. Below that, stick with ChatGPT. And tool number 6 is Midjourney, which you can use for creating stunning creative visuals. Midjourney is an AI image generator specializing in creative and concept art visuals with an incredible artistic quality. Look at some of these images. This is what Midjourney can create. You can use it to create unique digital art, concept visuals, and product mock-ups that stand out in the marketplace. The catch with Midjourney is it does require prompt engineering skills, so you need to learn how to write good prompts to get good results. The basic plan starts at around $10 a month and the standard plan around $30. But if you're selling digital art or you need eye-catching visuals, Midjourney is worth the learning curve. And tool number 7 is Notion, which has a ton of AI features. You can use it to create an entire digital product bundle, everything from the templates, the calendar, notes, and the plan. And a lot of people sell Notion templates as their digital product. So which AI tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments down below. And once you've picked your tools, check out my digital product playlist for step-by-step tutorials on using these tools to actually make the products. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.